rough videos.
Hi, Ms Kelley's ILS students, and welcome back. It's still Wednesday. Let's start with a deep breath in. Inhale up, and exhale down. Inhale up, and exhale down. Okay, so remember how I talked about the packets and where certain things went? Well, one of those items was this sorting item with the coins on it. Yep, the quarter, the dime, the nickel, and the penny. And the other item were the coins, so that we can sort. And remember, when we're sorting, like I told you, we can simply sort two. It might be the easiest if we want to do two for the first time to do the dime and the penny because they're different colors. Or if you want to stick with one, you probably want to focus on just the quarter so that you know it's the largest one and probably the easiest for our fine motor skills. So Ms. Kelley will start out with the first two, the dime and the penny. So if you're going to start out with just sorting the dime and the penny to make it a little easier, you're going to want to separate out the pennies and the dimes and maybe put them in a bowl to make it a little easier. Here, I just have a few of them, and I'll put them for now. I'm going to put them right here. So again, depending on how easy or hard, it can be you handing the penny to someone and saying, put here, because this is where the pennies go. And also, it's a lot better if we can put in a sample right there. So you know that dimes go here, pennies go here. And then allow the student to do as much as they can and continue to grow. So right now I'm just sorting my dimes and my pennies. If this is not challenging enough, and I know I have plenty of students who need that challenge, then you can just put the whole bunch of them right there. And again, put a sample for each one. So you'd have a quarter here to show another physical sample and a nickel here. And you see some of them don't have as much of a difference, but there should be enough to where with a little bit of practice, and we can sort this as many times as you want, you can get better and better. And the more we get used to coins, the better it is. Now you can use your own coins, but I didn't know if everybody had any at home. Nowadays with our debit cards, we don't usually carry a lot of money on us. So I wanted to make sure everybody had some to work with sorting. So as you see, I've sorted. I have my pennies. And does that look like it matches? No. So if you do it in the wrong one, all you have to do is say, oh, try again, and put it back in the hand to put it where it belongs. No matter how many times you have to try again, you can always try again. There's no wrong way. It's just a matter of doing it until you figure it out. So, Ms. Kelley's going to count for those students who are up there and needing a little more of a challenge. You can always count. So how many pennies do I have? So here's the pennies. We're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 pennies. How many nickels do I have? Now, nickels are 5 cents. We can count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I'd have 30 cents, but I have 6 nickels. Now, dimes are worth 10 cents, so we can go count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So I have 70 cents, but 7 dimes. How many quarters? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 quarters, and because a quarter is worth 25 cents, it would be 25, 50, 75 cents. Money is one of those wonderful things that we can work with when we're out in the public, at the dollar store, at the 99 Cent Tree, at Walmart, because the more we get used to handling it and giving it and taking it, the better we get with it. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. Please contact me if you have any questions. Bye-bye.